Welcome to the SFJ Key Chart Signals and Analysis. This is Morris. I want to begin tonight by looking at the GOEX. This is the Global X Gold Explorers, the junior side of the gold ETF market. This has been solid performance, very heavy downside volatility from 28 to under 13, and then of course the strong power star formation on the candlesticks and an inverse head and shoulder pattern. We've had a bull flag on the right side of this chart and then a breakout gapping higher. Gaps are very important and tell us a lot about the strength of a market. Until this market clearly gets through the area of overall resistance, and that's going to be right here at $28, there can continue to be some volatility. Market moved up in Thursday's action and then gives quite a bit of it back. So I wouldn't be at all surprised. This is the greater neckline right here. Wouldn't be at all surprised to see this area get tested before ultimately we move strongly through the area of resistance and giving final confirmation of the breakout on the inverse head and shoulder pattern. A lot can be said for the same action on NOVO. NOVO has had a strong decline down recently, of course, with many other stocks. This one peaked in December and then rolled over and has gone from $4 all the way down to $1.40. You can see the SFJ action, which was a sell, not quite at the highs, but very close to it. And now, after the decline has unwound, we've got an inverse head and shoulder pattern in play and nearly a neckline breakout. Not quite there. We're looking for a Friday close above that $2.60 area on NOVO. That could certainly happen in Friday's trading action. Once we get that, then you go right back and target the $4 area or even slightly higher. One of our big winners on the week at SFJ is the Santa Cruz position. Notice the price action on the week. Well, we bought this on Monday morning, so that's our gain for the week, up over 17%. And that's only part of the story here, folks. We're looking for substantially higher prices on this one. This is a true opportunity for great wealth multiplication because we're breaking out of this right shoulder, which is beautiful symmetry on the inverse head and shoulder pattern. And once we get through neckline at 22 cents, we begin to target the 40-cent area. And I've actually talked more likely target's going to be just about 38 or so. That sets up the prospect of this is a very large winner. From there, you could actually look at this even longer term because obviously there could be some problems here, but then you could begin actually to shoulder yet again, and a number of these stocks are likely to be stunningly higher in the next several years as gold continues to look solid. It has broken out and has held the 1750 area, and now that is targeting 1950, and that brings up the greater picture on the Super Force Services call for gold 4,000 in the next few years, looking for 1950 by the end of the year and much higher than that into the future. Santa Cruz, a stock like this, could go much higher, as well as a number of issues that we're bringing to our subscribers. If you're not a subscriber, don't miss this action. Check us out. That's all for now. This is Morris saying